Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by creating a safe baseline. Back up critical files so an update can't cost you data. Once done, plug into power and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates can be large and drop if interrupted. Now open Settings and check About or System to note the current OS build and security patch date. This tells you whether the patch is missing or an update failed. Make sure you have at least 50% battery or a charger attached before proceeding to download. You now fetch and apply the missing updates. Go to Software Update or Windows Update and tap Check for updates. Prioritize security or firmware patches. If downloads stall, clear space. Delete unused apps, clear cache, or remove large media until you free an extra 5 to 10%. Once the installer runs, follow prompts and let the device reboot. Many security updates include firmware layers that require one or more reboots to complete. Keep the device plugged in and don't interrupt the process. After installation, verify your security patch date in Settings so you know the issue resolved. If the patch still shows missing, run the built-in Update Troubleshooter or retry the Update Assistant from your device maker or system vendor. These tools repair common service issues. If problems persist, boot to safe mode and attempt the update, or run system repair tools such as SFC or the equivalent to fix corrupted files. If none of this works, note the error code and contact support with that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.